Do you remember to give the quiet one in an online group enough airplay? I've been around for a long, long time because I am the old girl, but one of my beautiful colleagues today reminded me about a difficulty that she's seeing on Zoom groups. She's doing lots of Zoom groups for work, and she said that often the quiet one gets forgotten. And I've had to reflect on the groups that I run online. I do some free online peer supervision with other social workers and psychs and social science workers. And I think I might be guilty of not thinking about the quiet ones. It's okay for me, I'm really forward, and if I've got something to say, I'm going to say it, but not everybody is like that. And I wanted to remind you and remind myself that whenever you get a group of people together, we all take on different roles in the group. Now, you can split the roles into three major areas. There is the task people, there are the maintenance people, and then there are the self-interest people. So the task person is the one who comes in and says, right, we've got this long, what's on the agenda? Let's get this done. Right, are you going to do that? Who's writing the minutes? We're really on task. The maintenance person comes in and the maintenance person will say something like, hi Jen, you're looking great today. You okay? Oh, and here comes my wife, the cleaning lady. The little vacuum cleaner's coming in, but I'm going to keep going because she's doing her group job at the moment as well. She's my maintenance girl. So maintenance person will say, is everything all right? Or do you have anything else that you wanted to add? Would anybody like a cup of coffee, a cold drink? They're the ones who look after people. Or they might notice that Joseph over there hasn't said anything. So they'll give a task person a nudge and say, mm-mm. And that's exactly what I need. I need somebody like that. Then there's the self-interest people. They come to a group only to get what they need for themselves. They're not interested in anything else. They just want the information. That's it. They don't even want to form relationships with anybody. But you know, guys, I'm also known as the engagement queen. So hashtag engagement queen. I love to engage and I teach people to engage. But here I am with all of my experience and I'm doing a lot of Zoom calls at the moment. And I forgot that sometimes we have to check in with that really quiet person, the person that doesn't say anything. So for all of us, if we want to elicit the quiet person to say something, we have to ask them in a question that's not too confronting for them. They might be really shy and not want to be put on the spot. So if you always stay with the 5 W's and a how type question, you can gently ask another person something and make sure that they're included in your group. That's it from me. And thanks, Jen, for reminding me because I am so task oriented at times. I forget some of those little things. So thank you so much. See ya.